Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook original pancake mix. First, let's gather everything we need. You'll want 1 cup of your favorite pancake mix, 3/4 of a cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Make sure you also have a large mixing bowl, a whisk, and a non-stick griddle or frying pan ready to go. Having these items prepared will make the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's create the perfect batter. In your large mixing bowl, combine the 1 cup of pancake mix with the 3/4 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Whisk these ingredients together until they are just moistened. It's perfectly fine to have a few small lumps. Overmixing can make your pancakes tough. Let the batter rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This brief pause helps create wonderfully fluffy pancakes. It's time to cook. Heat your non-stick griddle or frying pan over medium heat. A good temperature is around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease the hot surface with a touch of butter or oil to prevent sticking. Pour about 1/4 of a cup of batter for each pancake onto the griddle. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes on the first side until you see bubbles forming and the edges look set. Then, flip them gently. Once flipped, cook the second side for another 1 to 2 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. As each pancake finishes cooking, transfer it to a plate. For the best experience, serve your pancakes immediately. You can top them with classic maple syrup, a pat of butter, fresh berries, or even a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, warm, and fluffy pancakes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.